There was a time when I couldn't finish a simple task. Not because I didn't care, but because my mind was tired, my heart was loud, and everything felt like too much. Here's how I slowly came back to focus, not by force, but by healing.
Start with silence. Before you focus, pause. Not to do nothing, but to reconnect. Mini reset. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. Repeat 3 to 4 times. Instead of saying, I need to finish everything, say, I will do this one thing for 20 minutes. Focus grows when we stop demanding perfection. Before you begin, remove 3 distractions: your phone, open tabs you don't need, visual or emotional clutter near you. Sometimes focus is hiding under layers of noise. 25 minutes focused work, 5 minutes of rest. Repeat X3, then take a longer break. This isn't productivity, it's brain kindness. You train your focus in gentle reps.
Focus isn't just mental, it's physical. When your brain is dehydrated, underfed, overstimulated, it can't think clearly.
Sometimes your focus isn't broken, it's protecting you from something. Ask yourself, what am I afraid will happen if I actually finish this? Your distractions might be your fear in disguise. Focus isn't forcing yourself to do more. It's creating the space to meet yourself again. Don't rush, don't shame. Just begin, small and soft. Stillness isn't weakness. It's where the healing begins. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or emotionally stuck, this book is your quiet place to start again. Stillness Heals by Dr. Olivia Blackwell. A powerful emotional detox and nervous system reset for anyone ready to finally breathe, let go, and rise. Start your healing. Turn the first page today. Available now.